Do you know that you could be one of the people earning an income doing what you love? If only you knew the right strategy. If you want this year to be that year where you start monetizing your passions, then watch this video till the end. I also have a free online event coming up on the 17th of May, where I'm going to be sharing all the secrets to how I make money online, even with a small following. It is called the PurposeFULL Profits Masterclass, and you can get your free ticket using the link below. Hello Grace Walkers. If you're just coming across my channel for the very first time, my name is Benny and I am a business coach and productivity strategist. I basically help ambitious Christians start profitable and purpose-driven businesses. So without wasting any more time, the very first thing you need to do when you want to turn your passion into a million naira business is to start by identifying your passion. A lot of people confuse their passions for their hobbies. They are not the same thing. A hobby is basically what you do during your spare time. It's something you do to relax, to rest. And to be honest with you, a lot of people creating content online are actually treating it like a hobby. They are doing it during their spare time. When it's convenient for them, they create content. When it's not convenient, they drop off the face of the earth. If you're approaching content creation in that way, it is your hobby. I was in this boat not too long ago. When I started creating content, I was just putting anything out there. I did not have a well-defined niche. I did not know what I was really doing there. I did not have a proper strategy. I would show up whenever I want to and disappear when things got difficult. If that sounds like you, then I completely relate. A passion, on the other hand, is something that you devote time and effort into. In other words, hobbies are typically pursued for fun, whilst a passion is like a calling. There is this driving force to make time and sacrifices for that thing. Now that you understand the difference between a passion and your hobby, you can see how it will be extremely difficult to monetize a hobby. It is not impossible, but it is going to be difficult to monetize something that you're not devoting time and attention into. Whilst your passion, on the other hand, is very much going to be monetizable with the right strategy, because it is something that you're going to be willing to devote time, energy, or effort into doing. Your passion is that thing that keeps you up at night, that thing that wakes you up in the morning, that thing that you live for. Once you have differentiated between your passion and your hobby, guess what? You can easily move on to the next step, which is to turn your passion into an offer. So an offer is basically a product or a service that you provide in exchange for money. When I say a product, that includes physical products or digital products. And when I say service, that basically includes something that you're doing for someone or with someone. When you're turning your passion into an offer, the very first thing you need to do is to test that offer to see if it is profitable, which means you go into the field, you do some field work, you work with people one-on-one and see if people are willing to pay for it and how much people are willing to pay for it. After you've worked with people one-on-one, you can then go ahead and create your digital products or your physical products, whatever the case may be. But because you've already done that one-on-one test, you'll most likely know one of two things. Either your offer is profitable, which basically means that people are willing to pay what you priced it, and if that is the case, then good for you. But it could also happen that this your passion that you have packaged into an offer is something that people do not really care to pay for, or they do not care to pay a lot of money for. And if that is the case, what I would encourage you to do is to use it as an added layer of value to something that is profitable. So I'll give you a personal example. I mostly do business coaching. That is what I do primarily. However, I also coach people on productivity as an added layer of value, because even though I am passionate about it, I have found that where most of my money comes from is the business coaching. So when I then add my knowledge and my skills on productivity to my business coaching offers, first, it becomes more valuable, and then second, I'm able to charge more for it and still leverage all of my passions. Once you have identified your passion and then you have turned that into an offer, and then you have tested that on the field to see if it is something that people are willing to pay what you priced it. The third and final thing that you would want to do is to generate traffic. And what this simply means is that once you have validated that your passion is profitable, then you want to make lots of noise about it on all the social media platforms, because then you're able to attract a lot more of your target audience, and then you're able to send traffic to your offer, which is the thing that you're passionate about, and then make money from it. Every single platform that you already use, that you're already active on, and that you already know how it works, that is the platform that you want to start making noise on, attracting your target audience on, and selling your offer. And then a lot of the excuses that come up is, oh my God, I don't have a large audience online. I just have 50 people following me or 100 people following me. That is more than enough followers to actually start making money online. I started making money online with less than 300 subscribers, and to be honest, I did not know what I was doing. That was why it took that long. If I knew what I know now, I would have started making money online with as little as 100 subscribers on YouTube. So that being said, if you're someone that is interested in learning how to make money online, doing what you love, even with a small audience, then you want to attend my PurposeFULL Profits Masterclass. It is a free online event, and if you're interested in attending, you can get your ticket using the link in the description box below or in the pinned comment below. So that being said, if you're yet to subscribe, kindly hit that subscribe button, and you can also check out this video right here. See you there.